Isa ka sa microphone.
Siguro yun yung nagawa ng 2.5 years kaming sarado sa salon. Wala akong ginawa kundi manood ng YouTube at saka ng Netflix. And then parang almost 30 years na ako in show business. And then na-realize na parang nagtayo kami ni Mari ng Dragos Entertainment Productions, and we promised each other that we will make films that are out of the box. Kasi parang medyo pinag-aralan ko rin yung sistema na you have to give people yung medyo quality na medyo iba. Kasi if you go with the ordinary flow, baka, pagsawaan. Kasi yun yung nakikita nila mo. Kaya ito, this is a genre, psychological thriller, suspense. Pero ang dami ng twist, iba-iba yung, parang marami siyang, pag pinapanood mo siya, hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari next. Yun, yeah, parang basta ito siya. You have to watch it. And of course, with the genius director, Louie Ignacio. So alam ko naman na hindi to. Kasi award-winning director si Direk Louie. Hindi niya ito papabayaan. Di ba, Direk? Okay. Thank you. More question? Si Mr. Ambet.
Natanong na nila. Oo, sa mga bagets daw. Hindi, natanong na rin yung pressure and ano. At bukod sa workshop, anong preparation ang gusto mong gawin para, hindi kayo umiyak habang nag-shoot kayo kasama si Jerry at sa Miss Bill? O hindi kayo paiyakin ni Direk Louie?
Okay. Chat brain. Yeah, anong gusto mong gawin preparation for the role?
Well, to be honest, I really don't know what to expect right now. Kasi since what I told earlier, it's my new film again after a very long time. So siguro, preparation na gagawin ko is just be understanding and be open to everything. And I'm just really excited for this. And I'm very excited for the experience na nasin ko and sa lahat.
Aside po sa workshop, siguro ang preparation ko po is i-research po talaga, pag-aralan po yung character ko, yung role ko. Kasi yun nga po, ang biggest contribution po sila, or one of the biggest contributions na pwede kong i-ambag sa film is hindi maging pabigat, hindi maging papatagal, lalo na po mga katabangan natin, mga bigating artista po, sila Jelly, sila Tita Pilar, and so many more. So, yun po siguro yung biggest preparation for me, to know my character, to study my character, and to, of course, memorize my scripts po, my lines.
Good.
Sa akin naman po is same, again, Titan. But besides that, maliban po sa preparation sa acting workshop po namin at maliban na rin po sa pag-memorize ng script is to follow their rules po. Since syempre, we're going to work with the veterans mga po, may mga rules po and boundaries, and sana po malaman po namin sila para po alam din po namin yung gagawin po namin at hindi po awkward yung mangyari sa buong set po. Thank you.
For me po, personally, I trained myself for the past few days to be resilient po. I mean, hindi po kasi may iwasan na sabi po sa amin na mapagalitan on set. So, when that happens, I really don't want to be the person who absorbs all of the emotions that's around me, because I just want to do my part, my work po. And also another thing is, I'm actually studying my character very intently because I also want to add my personal creative twist to the character, so it feels more authentic. And I just don't want to be someone who's in the background, who's like another storybook character. So I want to put my own touch, my own Millie Marzo touch to Tin, which is the character I'm playing. So
Ayan po.
Ayun nga po, maliban sa workshop, ang preparation ko rin po is, syempre, kailangan ko rin tatagan yung sarili ko kasi nga, mga tatigan na actor yung kasama ko. And syempre, kinakabisado ko yung bawat lines na nakatoka sa akin. At ano po ba? Hindi, ano na, personal yun na po yun. Wala namang bago dun. Pagsunod ng mga rules at pagrespeto sa bawat privacy ng bawat isa. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Shira. Shira.
For me, of course, to apply all of yung mga lesson na binigay sa akin ng coach ko, and other than that, to apply everything that I have learned from my past films. And other than that, to keep on watching Killer movies siguro, since binigyan din ako ng assignment to keep on watching Killer. And of course, since this is a big role for me, this is a very challenging role for me, siguro to learn how to play with that character with my own touch.
Ang preparation ko naman po is proper diet. Kasi opo. At pangalawa is yung sinabi po sa amin ni Coach. Kasi ako po sa personal, in real life, jolly-jolly po talaga ako. Ilang days na lang po is shooting na po kami sa Bulacan. So, kailangan ko po ma-maintain yung character ko para bigyan ko ng hustisya yung role as Rafael. So, ayun, sa mga co-actors ko, hindi ako makulit. Ayun, so, yun, proper diet. Yun, thank you po, maraming salamat.
For me po, parang nasabi na nila lahat. I think just to be alert on set, you know, in terms of like directions, when you know who is directing us, and I'm really gonna study the script po in order to be able to portray the character really well and really be in sync with the character so that you can, yeah.
Thank you, Miss Ian.
You know, from what I noticed with the young actors, you seem to be kind of worried or probably have some reservations about working with people like us who have been in the industry for a long time. I have to tell you, we are not perfect, okay? We're still learning also. We're still learning. Even at this age, we still continue to learn. So I just want to share this to you. I just want to impart this to you. I just want to tell you that you don't have to be so uptight about us, because first of all, we have never quarreled with anyone on the set. The only time that maybe I will say something to Director Louie is if you are rehearsing and you're using your cell phone at the same time.
No phones.
Direct Louie. So yun lang naman talaga ang ayaw namin, kasi syempre nag-memorize kami ng mga lines, and if you are not focused on the lines and you're focused more on your cell phones, then walang mangyayari.
Away ito.
So, hindi man kami nang aaway, we always report that to the director. And it is the director who makes all the rules. And he is the one who's going to implement whatever needs to be implemented. Ganun lang naman. Ha?
Thank you, Tita Jenny.
Bukod sa cellphone.
Sa cellphone, siguro focus lang more on what you're supposed to do. Do not waste don't waste other people's time. Come on time. Just be there. Be there sa set, not just in physical, yung the whole pagkatao niyo, just be there, focus, concentrate, listen,
just be open. Tama na si Tita Pilar, we're all learning. Hindi naman kami, just because matagal na kami, hindi naman ibig sabihin, alam na namin ang lahat. We do different roles, different genres, different characters, and it's all also new to us, like it is new to you. So, magtutulungan lang tayo. It's all, if you're all there, if you were all listening, we're all following, direct, I think walang problema. It doesn't have to be so scary or you don't have to be intimidated by us. Lahat tayo, first time dito sa pelikulang ito. So, lahat tayo maninibago lalo sa umpisa, pero we will get the hang of it. And I'm sure Direct Louie will lead us. Ikaw ang magsalita ngayon.
Hindi, kasi kahit na marami na kayong nagawang pelikula, pag nagsisimula kayo ng bagong pelikula, panibagong adjustment ito. Walang senior, walang bagong artista dito. Bagong project. So, pag ako ang director kasi, discipline ang kauna-una-unahan. Pag hindi ko dumadating sa set ng hindi prepare, lumilipad ang script. Yun lang. Kailangan preparado ka na haharap sa akin kasi matagal nang binigay sa inyo ang project, ang script. That's it. Be professional. Yun lang. Be professional. Sa industriya to, walang tumatagal sa mga unprofessional. Mabilis bumagsak. Thank you.
Sinabi. Ian,